never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Built on the body-on-frame TNGAF system, similar to the J300 Land Cruiser, the brand new Tundra showed the way forward in the scaled-down V6-only age, with the 3.4-liter V35A FTS twin-turbocharged V6 and the crossbreed iForce Max version rocking 437 horsepower. It was quickly followed by the 4th generation J310 Lexus LX 600 in late 2021 and the 3rd generation XK80 Sequoia full-size SUV in very early 2022 as the SUV options. Interestingly, the last might be up first for a fast revamp during the 2025 version year after the 2024 Sequoia was mostly a carryover featuring a greater base price, $60,875, up from $59,865 for the 2023 MY. Well, that's according to the report mill and their imaginative realm of electronic car content makers, so bear in mind to take this with a grain of salt, as nothing is named from Toyota just yet. Anyway, if you want what the identical cosmos of Cars CGI have to offer, the great individuals over at the Q Cars Network on YouTube purpose to daze and impress the target market with a potential styling of their vision for the freshened 2025 Sequoia. The existing version, produced by Toyota at TMMTX, Toyota Electric Motor Manufacturing Texas, in San Antonio, Texas, returned to a strong rear axle arrangement like with the original, shunning the independent suspension from its straight precursor. It additionally gave up the V8S and only uses the intermixed 3.4-liter V35A FTS twin-turbo V6 iForce Max engine as the common powertrain across the trim line, full with 437 horsepower and 583 lb-ft, 790 Nm of torque.